Hi, Nat here at Shoes of Hollywood for another unboxing. Today we have a Fabulicious shoe. This one is a Clearly-418 in a Rouge colour. It's a 4.5-inch heel and it's a single sole shoe, so let's have a look at these ones. Check that out. So as you can see, it is just smothered in diamantes and it is gorgeous. And it's got the clear heel as well, and it's got the satin under the toe. Take out the other one. There's that one. These are absolutely stunning. So they're sort of like a slip-on, but then they've got the ankle strap as well, just for the extra support. They've even got diamantes on the buckle, just because you can't leave out the buckle. Oh, they are so pretty. Have a side look at them. They are just so shimmering even under this light. So imagine them in the full sun, they would be absolutely gorgeous. These would be perfect for going out or just any evening on the town, dinner, theatre. Perfect date shoe. I really love the clear heel on them as well. It sort of makes you have a double take. So it's not just a sparkly shoe, it's got more to it than that as well. It's really, really pretty. So that's these, absolutely gorgeous. So these were a 4.5-inch with a single sole. And these were in a Rouge colour. Absolutely gorgeous they are. I hope you like our review, and if you did, hit subscribe and hit the notification bell as well so you can watch all of our latest, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks!